This is my 2024 F450 I bought to replace my Chevy Duramax because my Duramax is just, it's not as great as these trucks are for towing and stopping, and I just don't want to deal with that thing anymore. So I bought this truck, and I had a CM Deluxe truck bed installed on it, which is what you see here. This is a cabin chassis model. I just wired up lights for all the toolboxes. I got work lights, and I've got strobes, flashers, same thing that I have on that truck. So the reason I went with this bed instead of that style is I don't really ever need this much space to be flat. So if I need that much space, I'll either use this truck or a trailer. But I also wanted bigger boxes so I could put a lot more tools in here, enough room for rakes and my transfer tank that I took off my other truck. And I also have a generator and this light tower that I want to be able to put in that little space. So the only thing I'm waiting for now is for some railing that I bought, and it's going to be adjustable so I can have adjustments throughout here for straps to go over whatever might be here, because there's no tie downs on this side at all, just on the back here. But that light tower will fit right in here if I need to take it to a job. And the generator, I'm going to have the straps up here so I can just strap the generator here or put it in the front. And I'll still be able to have the trailer here, and I'll still be able to jackknife when I need to. But for the toolboxes, there's the light. I put pretty much everything I need in here: fuel, def, a leaf blower, extra different style ball hitches, chainsaw, face mask, 2-stroke oil, a 4-ton jack. These are actually, if you're towing a trailer and you don't have lights, these are magnetic wireless lights. And I wired in all the lights myself, and I made everything myself. So this is a switch. Once the door closes, the lights turn off. So I welded a bracket here, and I put these lights on each side. There's 2 per box on the fronts. So that's how those work. And then the same thing on these ones. So I can see at night. I still need to do it to this truck, but I wanted to mainly do it to this truck because it has such big boxes and there's no real visibility at night unless you have a flashlight. So fire extinguisher, water to wash your hands, gloves, rags, miscellaneous tools, sawzall blades, sawzalls from Harbor Freight, so if somebody steals them, it's not a big deal. Red triangles for putting behind the truck when you break down. Hopefully we never do. And a bunch of straps and a bunch of bungees. And I also have crowbars back there. And for the lights on the truck, I wired everything into these auxiliary switches up here. So I've got 2 is backlight, 3 is strobes, and 6 is the actual fuel tank here. So fuel tank works. I've got the strobes going. And when I do the wiring on these vehicles, I don't like to just throw wires everywhere. I like to coat them with this kind of plastic wrap stuff. And then I just kind of zip tie it to everywhere throughout the truck. So it looks a little kind of factory, but not 100%. So this is actually factory here, which I think is stupid because look how low it is. Like if you're going over brush or whatever, that's going to get caught on stuff. But my wiring is right here. Just goes along with the factory all the way up. And see, this is factory. This is mine. This is all my spider webbed wiring here. I just have it zip tied out of the way. I try to make it look decent when I do it.